Jeannie Lynch coming to you today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you clicked in and that we found each other. And I would like to just share a little bit about what this channel is all about and what my intentions are. And hopefully it lines up with your intention. Intuitive spirit coach here in Venice, Florida. I've been on YouTube for years, got over 200 videos, organized playlists below, and everything spiritual. So if you were trying to get healthy right now, you would probably be shopping at a health food store, right? Makes sense. So this is one-stop shopping for everything spiritual. Love Buddhism, the law of attraction, chakras, spiritual modalities for a spiritual life, quick tips for spiritual living. Those are just some of the playlists that you'll find on my channel. So I invite you to belong to my community. Two things going on this year. Really excited to be sharing a new series called Spiritual Stories Worth Sharing, where I'm looking to collaborate with other YouTubers who feel they have a story worth sharing. You can put that up on my channel. I'll be setting up those and working on those as we speak. And a beautiful new class workshop format. Last year I did spiritual modalities for a spiritual life and different techniques of how to heal all over the globe. So interested in teaching, I'm interested in learning, raising consciousness, sharing my light, encouraging you to be the best expression of yourself. So if all that is something that you're interested in doing, then I invite you to subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications. I put up a video every 2 weeks on Thursdays, and yeah, I really love this platform and I love bringing these stories to life. Watch one of my videos and you'll know what I mean. So bye for now. Invitation to subscribe. No hard sell here. I'm not selling anything. Just trying to spread the light by changing the world one video at a time.